folks. Here's the Tiffin Phaeton that I was doing the battery on. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Maybe I should have started out that way. Just show it to you real quick. There's a lot of metal work done. Turn it around. Get ready to get this out of here. Alright. Remember what it looked like before. That's all solid metal. I've got to spray it with some rubberized coating. She's all hooked up now. All the batteries are charged fully. I've got to put some hold downs on. The outside of that's pretty good. Here's your leveling system. Remember what was underneath. That's solid metal now. Alright, just a quick video, like I said. Hi, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. There's a couple different ways of getting me, how. Facebook, RV Diagnostics. Website, www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's one-on-one with you and I. The other one is the YouTube channel that you're watching now. And the other one is at the garage in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. You can message me on Facebook Messenger if you're local to the Delmarva Peninsula or anywhere, New York, coming through. Just let me know. Once again, that was a quick view of the Tiffin battery compartment. I'll close this video system out. I think it's like 4 or 5. I try to keep them small for you. All right, thank you very much. This is Jeff.